What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be installing a set of Feal coilovers from the R32 Skyline. I have them on the 240 and I love how they ride, so I'm definitely excited to see how they are on the Skyline. It's pretty early today, but let's get started, let's get going, we'll see how it turns out. Ooh, crispy clean. Definitely excited to put these on. So first, we're going to pop up this 19mm nut right here, and then we'll loosen up the strut tower ones and go from there. Now that we got the strut tower nuts off, by the way, don't mind my dirty engine bay, you should be able to just pop this off and then drop it through. Here we go. Easy peasy. Now we'll just slide the new one back up through there. We'll bolt her up. Now that we got the new one through, tighten up this nut, and then tighten these up. We'll be good to go. Don't forget to tighten up this bottom collar after you put them on, before you put the wheel back on. The preload already comes set from Feal, but don't forget about that bottom collar. Got this side all done. We'll knock out the other, and then hop onto the rear. So for the rears, pop out this 19mm bolt right here. And then we'll go to the rear strut tower, pop these nuts off, and then we'll be able to drop it out. Now that we got all three of those taken out, we'll be able to pop this off and slide this through. Just like that. I will size up the new ones and then throw them in. There she is, all done. Finished up. It's sitting pretty high right now, but I'll drive it around for a little bit, let it settle in, and then I'll adjust from there after the coilovers get settled. Pretty good. Once I get the side skirts fitted up in the rear bumper, be able to see how low I'll go. Go from there.